How to win casual battles in Kingshot. So first of all, what you guys want to do is simply make sure that in casual battles, so it is an event that lasts about 6 hours, and victory is achieved either by holding the castles for a continuous 3 hours or by having the longest total holding time if no one hits for 3 hours. So there are some of the strategy breakdown for winning those castle battles. So here, to win those castle battles, simply follow the advice that I gave you, and then you can simply go ahead and then win it. So first of all is preparation and coordination. So what you want to do is make sure your alliance has a voice chat or Discord for real-time calls, assign roles in advance, gather buffs. So activate city buffs, paid skill, hero widgets before event. Now use double rally technique and to break defenders, also to capture. Choose rally leaders with best attack heroes, and joiners, carries and rallies should use defense oriented heroes. So use proper tube composition for attacking, and for defense also use the proper tube that has good coordination. So hold the castle. Once you hold it, you need to constantly refill troops and defend against those um, in order to defend against those enemies. Now control the turrets, use batch healing. When your infirmary gets full, heal in the batches to sustain through long events. Now scoring and backup plans. So in order to score and make a good backup plan, even if you can't hold the castle for full 3 hours, aim to maximize hold time to win by longest time. Also focus on turret captures and points for fighting. Plan for fallback. If you lose the castle, regroup for next wave, protect your alliance base, and contest turrets rather than all in one failed coup. So that's how you do it. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.